There are four number systems of arithmetic that are used in digital systems. One is decimal number system, we have binary number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system. General form representation of any number in any number system is represented as n is equal to dn multiplied with r raised to n plus dn minus 1 multiplied with r raised to n minus 1 plus so on d1 This is general form representation of any number in any number system. Here n is value of entire number, dn is value of the nth digit from the decimal point, and r is radix or base of number system. For example, now let us take decimal number system. In decimal number system, for example, 6841 can be represented as, now look at this equation number 1, we will try to represent 6841 which is in decimal number system in this format, that is at 0th position the number is 1 year, at first position the number is 1 year, 4 years, at second position the number is 8, at third position the number is 6. Now it can be represented as 6 into r is base, in decimal number system base is 10 raised to 3 plus 8 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 into 10 raised to 0. If we simplify this, we will get 6841. Now let us see binary number system. In binary number system, the number of symbols are 2. Thus, base of binary number system is 2. The number exists in binary number system are 0 and 1. For example, any binary number can be represented as, this is the example for binary number. Here each number in this binary number is known as bit. That is, here 1 is a bit, 0 is a bit, 1 is a bit, 0 is a bit, and 1 is a bit. Now let us see how to convert given decimal number into binary number. Convert a given decimal number into binary number. Suppose if we have a decimal number 69, it can also be represented as 69 10. This 10 indicates base of decimal number system, or it can also be represented as 69D, D for decimal, that is given number is in decimal form. Now let us see how to convert this into binary. To convert a given decimal number into binary, we have to divide this number with the base of binary number system, that is 2. When we divide 69 by 2, we can get 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, remainder is 1. Write the remainder here. Divide 34 by 2, will get 17. Again the remainder is 0 here. Divide 17 by 2, will get 8, remainder is 1. Divide 8 by 2 further, will get 4, remainder is 0. Divide 4 by 2, will get 2, remainder is 0. Further divide 2 by 2, will get 1, remainder is 0. Now we have to stop the process as we cannot divide 1 by 2. Now we can represent the binary numbers from bottom to top in this order, that is 69, which is in decimal, it can be represented as 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Thus 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 is in binary, and it is binary representation of 62. We can represent it as 2, that is 2 indicates binary, or we can, in place of 2, we can use B also. Now let us take one more example. 53. Let's convert 53 into binary. Divide 53 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 13, 2 6 is 12, remainder is 1. Divide 26 by 2, we get 13, remainder is 0. Divide 13 by 2, we'll get 6, remainder is 1. Divide 6 by 2, we'll get 3, remainder is 0. Divide 3 by 2, we'll get 1, remainder is 1. That is, now we can represent 53 as in binary, represent the number from in this order, that is 53 is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 1. Thus 1 1 0 1 not 1 is binary representation of 53. Now let us see how to convert if the number is having fraction part. For example, the number 47.8125, which is in decimal. Now let us see how to convert this into binary. Here 47 is a full number and 0.8125 is a fraction number. First convert the given full number into binary by successive division by 2. That is, when you divide 47 by 2, we'll get 23 and the remainder is 1. Further divide 23 by 2, we'll get 11, remainder is 1. 5, remainder is 1. 2, remainder is 1. Divide 2 by 2, we'll get 1 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, the binary representation of 47 is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 and 1. Therefore 101111 is binary representation of 47. Now let us see how to convert a given fraction, that is 0.8125 into binary. The fraction part will be converted into binary by repeated multiplication by 2. That is, multiply 8125 by 2 will get 1.625. Note down this integer here. Now again consider the fraction part, that is 0.625. Write it as 0.625, multiply it to 2 will get 1.25. Represent this one here. Now consider the fraction part, that is 0.25. It can be represented as 0.25. Again multiply by 2 will get 0.5. Represent this 0 here. Now consider 0.5. Again multiply by 2 will get 1.0. 1 can be represented here. Once we get 0 at the fraction part, we have to stop this process. Therefore, now these values are represented from top to bottom order. That is, 0.8125 is equal to 0.1101. Therefore, now the entire number 47.8125, which is in decimal, can be represented as, that is binary representation of 47, that is 101111. Just add this number, that is 1101. So this is in binary.